Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add half teaspoon of dry parsley. Parsley is rich in vitamin K that helps to clot the blood and contributes in bone health. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants which helps to reduce the risk of health conditions like diabetes, stroke, heart disease and cancer. A teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are very healthy and they are a good source of several vitamins including vitamin C and K, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6 and folic acid. They have a high percentage of dietary fiber and a valuable source of several bioactive compounds such as antioxidants and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Then to this add 1 cardamom. Cardamom is a very healthy ingredient. It is high in antioxidants, contains cancer fighting properties, has anti-inflammatory properties, protects from chronic diseases, helps in digestion, treats bad breath and prevents cavities, has antibacterial effects, treats infection, improves breathing and oxygen use, lowers blood sugar levels, protects your livers and helps in weight loss. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. Close it with the lid and let this rest for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so let's open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to a mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half a lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy fat melter drink is ready to consume. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this weight loss drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.